everyone, this is Amy. Welcome today to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my version of a tiger lily. On my palette I have several colors. This particular color I used the real brown, the pure orange, and a little bit of wicker white and mixed it up because I didn't really have like a burnt orange to use. And then I'm going to try it with just the pure orange as a secondary color, and we'll see how that goes. I've not done that, so I'm not sure. And let's go ahead and get started and see how it goes. Alright, I'm going to dip one side of my brush into my orange color that I created. I have way too much paint, to be honest with you. Start little and then get bigger, because I probably wasted way too much paint doing this color mixing. Alright, so let's go ahead and give it a try and see how it goes here. Alright, so I'm going to use this brush to create just a long petal, kind of raise up and then pull back. With doing this mixture, it seems to be kind of transparent, more so than what I'm used to. So I might go over it again, but I'm just pushing down, coming to the tip, raising up a little bit, and then pulling back down. Pulling up and coming back. Not sure I like that tip too much, so I'll go over it a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn my tile that I'm using. Oops, I went the wrong direction here with that. Oh no, I didn't. I'm sorry, I did fine. And then pull it back. And I'll turn it again. And open the tip and pull it back. And again, as I'm looking at this, it's a little bit more transparent than I'm used to. So I probably will go back over it. And I'm just going to leave it as a 5-petal flower. If you want to make it 6, you can do so. I'm just doing this to show you how I would create it. If you wanted to give it some drying time in between, feel free to do so. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and do it all at one time. And I see that it's kind of reflective there, so sorry about that shine. And if you want to make your petals even thinner, feel free to do so. And raise up a little bit and come back. And then one more that I'm going to go over. Do it again, raise up and pull back. Alright, so let's set this back here. I kind of almost feel like I need to put another petal in there, but I'm not going to. I'm leaving it like this. And I'm just going to do one, just for the purpose of this video. What I will do next is take my liner brush, the fingernail liner brushes that I'm using, just Artdone. It's a 20mm. And I come in here and I'm going to stick it into the brown. Just get the brush nice and filled with paint, and then come through here and just lightly. And they don't have to be perfect dots. I actually don't want them to be. I just want them to be like little freckles. And if you want to put more dots on, spend more time dotting them, feel free to do so. This is just showing you how I create this type of a flower. Alright, then I'm going to take the other liner brush, which this is a 25mm, and come in here, place it into the two different greens. I have the hunter green and the lime green. Just kind of roll them about. Stick it in, just kind of roll it out. And then what I'll do is go this direction to pull out a little stamen in the middle. If you want it bigger, you use your chisel edge or a larger liner brush, but I like it just the way it is. Okay, and then I'm going to come through here. I'm going to go ahead and do with the bottom of my brush, I'm going to do a little dot on the end, like that. And I'll wipe it off because I'll end up getting it all over my hands. Then come back in with my number 20, going into the brown, and then just doing like a little boop at the end. Okay. Or you can do a different color. I think I used to use berry wine a lot for that. Then I'm going to come in here to my greens. Again, just kind of roll it out a little bit, stick it in, get the colors. I want both colors kind of showing. If they don't, then I'll just come back and add it. Alright, so then I'm going to come in here, do my stem, which I like to kind of do just more wavy, like that, if you can see it. It's thin, so you could again use the chisel edge of your brush to make it thicker if you wanted to, or just go over it several times. I'm just gonna leave it like that. On this painting, I'm actually using an angle brush. I haven't used one of those for a while. It's the 5/8 Folk Art one-stroke brushes. And I'm gonna come into my greens, kind of tipping each side, doing the blending strokes. Now with folk art paint, if you're doing one stroke, typically the bristles should be 3/4 of the way full of paint. And go back and forth, or I just typically go one direction, but however you want to do it. Alright, and then I'm going to come up and then just put some long leaves, kind of shaped just like the petals of the flowers itself. You can do some like this too, where you just go like that. Down one side with the darker, the other side with the lighter. However you want to do it, your little heart's desire. Oops, I missed that. Not on there, sorry about that. Go over it again. Just simple leaves, doesn't have to be anything difficult, challenging. Alright, then I'll take my brush again, my little nail brush, go back into the paints, and then do my little stems, attaching them. Oops, going back up here. Trying to stay on the where the camera can see it. There you go, like that. And if you feel like it, you just want to do, you know, some filler petals, you know, leaves, go ahead, and I like to typically go into the lighter of the greens. I'm just going to blend it in here, and then just do some little filler one-stroke leaves. And if you don't want to do these, then don't. You'll leave them out. Like I said, I can get crazy with leaves, so you're one of my favorite things to paint. And there you have it. Alright, I'll go back and put little stems on these as well. Maybe a little bit darker because these are such light leaves. And it's okay to go over your flower because in nature, that's how it would flow. And come here, come down here. I think I got it here. I can't see it very well myself. Alright, and then come back up here and put it in. Alright, so there you go. Again, very easy brush strokes. Just simple. You can add as many as you want, but I just wanted this one to be one just to show you how I create them myself. If you have any questions or comments, please place those down below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and share this video with your family and friends. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, I am doing a light sound bath in the background, so please enjoy that as well. Sit back, relax, and give yourself a moment to just kind of free your brain of clutter and be calm. Alright, until the next time, I appreciate you stopping by. You take care and you have a good one. See you then.